A planting grid can give the traditional gardener another option in planting their small vegetables. A planting grid gives you a more condensed, more organized, and easier to maintain area of planting. As you can see, ours that we've made constructed from a frame from, I believe, a small appliance that I found. These are on 2-inch squares, and the basic concept of a planting grid is simply put your seeds in each square, and this is not good for large vegetables, more spinach, lettuce, radishes, items of that nature. And it condenses, instead of having one long row, it condenses it all to one small square area to where you can very easily maintain that specific vegetable. Over here we have another version of it. It's 2 pieces of cardboard on 2-inch center circles, and the circles were made by taking a canning jar ring and then cutting it out. We painted it red for 2 reasons. 1, to keep moisture from affecting the cardboard, and 2, so I can find it when it's laying in the garden. But it's the same concept. You set it in the area you're going to plant, and let's say we're planting radishes. You put 1 seed in each hole, and it's a very condensed, very organized, and easy to maintain item that you can make in your own garden for next spring's.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.